Hello tech fans, the world of outdoor adventure is being reshaped by the Hypershell X series. A wearable robotic exoskeleton that feels like a jump from science fiction into reality. This device is essentially a set of external muscles that you strap onto your waist and thighs. It breaks the physical limits of the human body, allowing people to hike further, carry more, and recover faster. Before we start, are you excited to try the Hypershell X series? Tell me in the comments, like, share, and subscribe for new videos every weekday. For older adults or those with joint pain, this technology means the difference between staying home and enjoying the outdoors again. It is a real-world tool that uses smart sensors and powerful motors to give you a push when you need it. The entry point for this technology is the Hypershell Go. It is a version focused on urban environments and paved paths. It uses a motor that produces 400 watts of power and 18 newton meters of torque. This provides enough to assist a person walking at speeds up to 12 kilometers per hour. The device is built from aluminum and weighs about 2 kilograms, which is roughly the weight of a large water bottle. It can cover about 15 kilometers on one charge. This model is best viewed as a basic assist tool for people who want to reduce leg fatigue during long days of sightseeing or light walking. When moving into the more advanced X Pro, the tech becomes much more capable for difficult terrain. The motor power doubles to 800 watts, and the torque jumps to 32 newton meters. This increase is specifically designed to help with heavy carrying, as it can help with about 30 kilograms of weight. The electronics are also upgraded to handle extreme cold. Down to minus 20 degrees Celsius, it can assist movements at much higher speeds, reaching up to 20 kilometers per hour. This version is built for the rough conditions of high-altitude trekking where the terrain is steep and the weather is unpredictable. For users who want that same power but need to save every possible gram of weight, there is the Carbon X. It uses the same 800-watt internal system, but replaces the metal frame with carbon fiber. This swap brings the weight down to 1.8 kilograms. It represents the middle ground in the lineup, focusing on high strength and low weight for endurance athletes. The most powerful version of this technology is the X Ultra. This model pushes the motor output to 1000 watts and increases the top assisted speed to 25 kilometers per hour. Engineers used a combination of titanium and carbon fiber to make it both light and incredibly durable. The battery system is also significantly larger, offering a 30-kilometer range. It includes 12 different motion modes, including niche settings for walking through deep sand or snow. Overall, the Hypershell X series shows how robotics are moving out of factories and into practical use. The Go model serves as a basic introduction to the tech, while the Pro and Ultra models are serious tools for high-performance exploration. These devices are designed to be folded up and stored in a backpack when they aren't needed. By lowering the physical cost of movement, they allow people to focus on their surroundings rather than their physical exhaustion. This shift in technology makes the world's most difficult trails more accessible to a much wider range of people. Like, share, and subscribe for new videos every weekday.